Well, good morning. Beautiful morning, South Carolina. I'm here at the Shell Ring Trail. Today I did not bring my photo camera, but I brought my drone, and hopefully we'll get some nice footage. It's a beautiful morning. It's around 8:45 in the morning. Lots of mosquitoes, but I used a lot of bug spray, so let's hope they're not going to be too bad. It's quiet. Right now there's nobody around, nobody on the trail. No cars in the parking lot either. Trying to keep my eyes open for snakes, spider webs. I don't honestly know what is easier to spot, a snake or a spider web. Oh well. We'll see. So the shell rings are pretty well hidden by the vegetation on top of it, but that's all right. They're there for many years to come, and for many people to enjoy. The boardwalk has been beautifully restored. Last time I was out here, it was pretty damaged by the storms, but they've done a really good job getting everything back in good shape, in excellent shape I should say.